Chances are you've noticed news reports boasting an increase of deer activity in urban environments. Deer really don't want to be dodging cars and frolicking through a concrete forest. They'd rather be in their natural environment. The problem is, we're prone to fires, and instead of going further into their habitat, they search out the lowest hanging fruit, which happens to be your yard and garden. The knee-jerk reaction is to stock up on venison, but it's not legal to hunt them in the city. You might even be inclined to put up deer fencing, but that's costly and sometimes not aesthetically pleasing. There's a better way to ward off deer by putting the fear of Bobbex into deer and other plant-eating critters for their control. Simply coat dry plant leaves with the ready-to-use trigger sprayer every couple of weeks. For larger areas, the concentrated formulas will work with your favorite pump sprayer and spray rigs. Without getting all scientific, there's 12 natural and safe ingredients that triggers a fear instinct when they take a whiff of it. The smell sickens them and they scooch. After spraying, go out on a nice date and take in a movie. When you return in about 6 hours, it'll be completely dry and clear, plus the smell becomes undetectable to us. But for deer, you save costly fencing using the safe, natural way to control deer.